I've been using the Chase Freedom Rise credit card for a while now, and this is my honest and unbiased review. So let's dive in and see if it's the right fit for you. Chase offers a straightforward reward structure, providing 1.5% cash back on all purchases. Additionally, there's no annual fee, making it an accessible option for those starting their credit journey. One of the standout features is the $25 statement credit you receive after enrolling in automatic payments within the first 3 months of account opening. This not only offers a small financial boost, but also encourages responsible payment habits. Additionally, Chase provides access to free credit score tracking through its Credit Journey program, allowing you to monitor your credit building progress over time. However, it's important to note that the card comes with a variable APR of 25.99%, which is relatively high. Therefore, it's crucial to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. In terms of building credit, Chase reviews your account for a potential credit line increase in as little as 6 months, which can further help in improving your credit score. Overall, the Chase Freedom Rise credit card is a solid option for those new to credit, offering simple rewards and tools to help establish a positive credit history. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.